Hi, I'm Justine McNulty, a registered social worker with the Arm Prior and District Family Health Team, and welcome to this edition to the Mental Health Minute. In previous episodes, I've talked to you about the importance of being compassionate to yourself and others at this time. I've talked to you about the importance of taking a mindful pause and stopping throughout the day to switch from this autopilot that we can sometimes get ourselves in to one where we're more mindful and acting with more purpose. I talked about adjusting our expectations of how we're feeling and dealing with the holidays this year. And I also talked about sleep and how to make the most of it and get the best sleep possible that you can right now. Today I wanted to talk to you about something that you may be experiencing and that you may have noticed this year, if you also experienced it in previous years, is a bit more challenging, and that's grief. So, as someone who has personally experienced a lot of loss in her life, I know how challenging it can be to go through a time of year that's supposed to be about family, connection, joy, but also have that piece of your heart that hurts because there is someone or more than one person in your life that you're missing because they're no longer with you. It can be common as a way to deal with this loss at this time of year to kind of push it down, distract yourself, surround yourself with family, friends, turn to substances, drugs, and alcohol to take the edge off or numb the pain of the loss that you've gone through. Now, although temporarily this might be helpful, in the long run, we're still left with that underlying pain of the loss. And in addition, we may have a bunch of other feelings connected to the way that we're coping with it that's not super helpful in the long run. So, what I'm going to suggest to you this time is that you think and try to be creative, one of my favorite words, and make something special for yourself in relation to your grief, to the person or people that you've lost, so that you can honor their life, honor a part of them, and allow yourself to be sad as well. Some people find it's helpful to incorporate one of their favorite traditions of the person that they miss into the holiday season. Whether this is having that special drink that they always liked handy, whether it's decorating the tree and as you do it, reflecting on the fact that that person loved Christmas trees or hated them. Whatever makes sense to you, it's important that it's personal and it's important that it's meaningful in terms of your relationship to that person that is missing. So, the other thing that I wanted to say is that it's okay, even though it's the holiday season, to allow some of the hurt and less comfortable feelings and related to your loss at this time. Those feelings are there anyways. So covering them up with wrapping paper, presents, alcohol, sugary treats, although temporarily soothing, in the long run isn't going to be super effective. But I get it. You don't want to hurt. You want to feel happy. Sometimes leaning into the pain temporarily can give us the lasting or longer lasting relief that we need to also enjoy parts of this holiday season. This year can be particularly challenging to go through grief during the holidays because we are also in the middle of a pandemic. So this means that you can't connect with your family as well as you have been able to in previous years. So thinking outside of the box, connecting with them through virtual means, video chats, telephone calls, text messages, as much as you can, knowing that even though you can't physically be with the people that you want to, there are ways that you can connect virtually and safely and get a similar feel for that support that is there. So I hope this was helpful. I know that if you're going through a loss right now, it's not easy, especially during the holiday season. So take care, be kind to yourself. Lean into what you're feeling because it's there anyway. And know that it's okay to also simultaneously, or as a result of leaning into the pain, feeling some joy and relief during this time. Take care. Talk to you soon.